Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we are going to draw and paint a capital and small s. Do you know S is for square? Now start drawing together. Draw small s. Draw capital S. Draw curved line. Now curve the line to the right. And go down. Make another curve to the left, like a backwards curve, and bring it down. This is capital S. Kids, this is capital S. S. Capital S. Now draw small s. First we will draw curved line. This is small s. S. This is small s. S is for square. Now draw square. Now write word square. S Q U A R E. Square. S is for square. Well done kids. Our drawing is ready. Now let's start coloring. S is brown. S is brown. Kids, this is brown color. This is capital S. S is brown. Now color small s. This is small s. The sound of S is square. S is for square. Square is pink. Kids, square is pink. This is pink color. Square. S is for square. S is for square. S is for square. In the word S, we will use red color. This is red color. Kids, this is red color. Square. S is for square. S is for square. S. S. Our drawing is complete. Kids, well done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next time.